Hey all, it's Lawrence here from Express Unity. Now, I'm sorry I haven't been making videos for a few weeks now. I think it's been at least 2 weeks. But I've just been really busy. I ended up getting a new job, and so I've just had all my time taken away from me, really. However, I have started an old project that I was working on a few months back. Basically, it's just this comedic battle royale. And back then, I made my own like web API to store players, usernames, and currencies. But I decided to remake the game using PlayFab. And so this whole series is going to be basically me just going through the implementation of how I use PlayFab in this particular game. It's not really a tutorial per se. The code I show you you could use, but it's more just like how you should do things and how you make it work, really. So basically, I'll just give you a quick rundown of how it basically works right now. So if we hit play button, we get this login screen. Let's make a new account. Let's, I don't know, call it um, test 123 and test 1234 as the password. If we click register, it says welcome test 123. Your account has been created. You may now log in. You can press OK to get rid of that. So it keeps all the same things in here. So after that, we can just press login, and then it'll show our username here and find a game. At the same time as us logging in, it will also connect to the Photon services, and then if we find a game, it'll then join a game. It says match starting, but that's all Photon related, so don't really need to show any of that. It's just the Photon stuff. So basically, I've got where is it? I've got this Photon manager and this PlayFab manager. So in the PlayFab manager, I do the usual stuff in the past tutorials, or username, all our message boxes and stuff. So we've got the register with PlayFab. Basically, if it's successfully registered, we show this message here. That's a box that comes up. And then when we press the login button, it'll save our username into this field here. And it'll show our welcome message. It'll set active, where is that? What is it? I think Photon does this. So what we do is we call upon our Photon manager, which is here, and that will, let's see, connect to Photon master. I believe that's a function. Yep. So that will connect. That'll change our nickname. It'll set any variable we need, and then on connected to master, we do a few things here. Join or create. Basically, we join a random room. If joining a random room fails, we create a room. And then once we join, we'll set the mouse lock state, set a random spawn. We'll spawn our player, and then we add a player count. As it's a battle royale, we kind of need to keep track of how many players there are. And yeah, that's basically all we're doing right now with Photon. I will be making another video just showing how all the currencies works, because what I'll be doing is whenever you lose or win a game, you'll be getting different amounts of currency depending on how many kills you get. So yeah, sorry this is a bit of a short video. This series will literally just be me explaining what I do with PlayFab within this Battle Royale game that I'm making. If you guys want to see actual, like, more tutorials, just leave in the comments what do you want to see, because I'd be happy to make that. Anything with PlayFab though that I do will not really be anything that I implement into a game. It'll be me just more showing off how the system will work. This tutorial, however, will be not a tutorial, but will be me showing how those systems can work inside a multiplayer game. And this doesn't need to be a multiplayer game. You can use PlayFab for single player use as well, to store inventory and all that, but players will still need to make an account. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a like, and if you want to see more, please do subscribe. Again, sorry that it's a bit of a short one. I don't really have much time, but yeah, if you want to see anything else related to PlayFab, just leave anything in the comments, or really any other tutorial. I'd be happy to show you guys anything else, we don't really need to stick with PlayFab. Just in the comment section, let me know what you want to see. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.